But after sunset, even for maybe 1 hour, it could be different according to the place. After sunset, there is a Shafq Ahmar on the horizon. After that red color finish, there is a whiteness appears on that side of horizon. When that Shafaq Abiyad, that whiteness disappears and the sky is completely black, then Isha starts. Because the hadith says that here Shafaq means Shafaq Abiyad. When Shafaq Abiyad disappears, when the whiteness disappears after the redness, then Isha starts. Okay. And when sun travels from there and up to here, when sun is here 18 degree, then there is also whiteness on the horizon of this side. When there is whiteness on the horizon this side, then Fajr starts. What happens when sun sets? When it goes up to 18 degree, for example here, okay, that's horizon. When sun comes down was up to 18 degree. Obviously, then when sun is up to 12 degree, after sunset, from 0 till 12 degree, in this time there is red color on the sky. There is Shafq Ahmar. What? Shafq Ahmar. When sun comes to the point of 12 degree, that Shafq Ahmar turn into Shafq Abiyad, the whiteness. And it stays for 6 degree, from 12 to 18 degree. Even is mentioned in Sahih, in Kutub Fiqh of 300 or 400 years before. Ulama mentioned that when sun reach up to the 18 degree, from 12 to 18 degree, that whiteness, Shafq Abiyad, remains on the horizon. But when it goes to this point, from 18 to downwards 19, then the whiteness disappears. Scientifically and obviously according to observation as well, is proven. When sun goes down more than 18 degree, then the whiteness finish and then Isha starts, when there is all blackness.
So up to 12 degrees is red, and
from 12 to 18 is white.
Yeah, and after that is black.
After that is black. Then Isha starts. In normal countries, in normal days, obviously, Isha starts after 18 degree. What happens in the European countries and some other countries in these days, May, June, July? What happens when sun sets? The time is very short. The night are short and days are very long. When sun sets, it does not go down 18 degree. It doesn't even go down more than the 18 degree. So when sun sets, from this 18 degree, this point, sun sets like this. You understand?
Yeah.
It doesn't go down to the 19 degree. So all night, from after 12 degree, because redness finish and there is a whiteness on the horizon, from this point up to the full night, because sun doesn't go up to more than 18 degree, so you can see the night is bright. Nowadays, if there is no cloud, you can easily see that the night is bright, like, for example, when there is a moon on the sky, the night is bright. That's called B.Night, bright night. You understand? So after 12 degree, when brightness comes and the sun doesn't go more than 18 degree, that means the all night, the Shafq Abiyad, the whiteness is, the brightness is on the sky is throughout the night. Means Isha doesn't start. So when sun is this side, this brightness of this point, this brightness, obviously this brightness is for Maghrib, because Isha doesn't start. Why? Because sun does not go more than 18 degree and Isha doesn't start. So this brightness is for Maghrib. So when sun comes this side, okay, according to this rule, when Isha doesn't start. So our question is, when Isha is not starting and there is brightness all over the night, why, according to which rule you determine that from this point to this point there is this everywhere is brightness? So how you can decide that from this point up to here, for example, that is Maghrib time, and from here to here is Fajr time? Because when sun is here, this half bright is for Maghrib. The next half brightness is for Fajr because sun is this side. Do you
So
understand?
is it when the sun goes back up? Is that when Fajr starts? Kicks in.
Yes, when sun comes this side. Because obviously when there is no Isha,
Yeah.
then from Maghrib till Fajr there is no other namaz. From Maghrib till Fajr there is no namaz, isn't it?
जी
And for Fajr you need obviously sun 18 degree toward this side.
Yeah.
Okay, from this point. And for Maghrib sun is 18 degree from this point. So when Isha doesn't start and sun doesn't go more than 18 degree, then how can you give more time to Maghrib and less time to Fajr when there is only two time of namaz, Maghrib and Fajr? You understand? So that's why we say you have to follow the rule of Nisful Lail. Nisful Lail means the midnight. So divide time from Maghrib till Fajr, yeah, and then divide into half, give half time to Maghrib and half to Fajr because there is no Isha. So that's why we say that from this point to this point there is only two namaz. That's why Fajr starts early after the midnight. You understand?
And let's say you didn't do this rule. Imagine you didn't half it.
Why don't it? Why you don't do it?
But imagine if you didn't do it, yeah? Then would that mean Maghrib would be all the way until...
Why? You can't be.
Okay.
Because for Fajr you need sun at the point of 18 degree here, from this side. From this side to this side. And for Maghrib, sun like up to 18 degrees Maghrib. Because after 18 degree, obviously there is darkness. But sun doesn't go more than 18 degree. So how? So because this brightness relates to Maghrib or Fajr, so then you have to give equal time to both. Because there is no such rule which you give more preference to Maghrib time and give more time to, because there is no Isha. When there is no Isha, so why you are saying that Fajr starting 4 something or 3 something? That means you are giving more time to Maghrib brightness and less time to Fajr brightness, whereas the brightness of both are equal because sun, if sun is this point of the earth from this side up to the 18 degree is relates to Maghrib, and when sun is this side up to the sunrise from this side, this brightness relates to Fajr. So both should be equal. Because there is no such fiqhi rule which you can divide time of Maghrib and Fajr with, for example, 60 or 40 or 70 or 30 or 80 or 20%. You have to give 50% for both according to the rules.
So what would be the example then?